Welcome to our channel Free Laptop Info. Your laptop was super fast when you bought it. But after 1 or 2 years, everything suddenly feels slower. Why does this happen? Here's the surprising part. Your processor doesn't simply become slow because it gets older. Usually, other things have changed. Over time, you install more programs, and many of them automatically start whenever you turn on your laptop. Even when you're not using them, some programs keep running in the background, consuming CPU and memory. Then there's storage, downloads, photos, videos, games, updates, and temporary files slowly accumulate. When your system drive gets extremely full, there's less free space available for temporary files and normal system operations. Meanwhile, your laptop stays mostly the same, but the software you use keeps changing. Maybe you used 5 browser tabs before. Now you have 20 tabs, cloud sensing, video calls, and other apps running together. Another hidden problem is dust. Over time, dust can collect around your laptop's fan, vents, and cooling fins. If airflow becomes restricted, your laptop may heat up faster during demanding workloads. When temperatures reach certain limits, modern processors can reduce power and clock speed to protect the hardware. Your RAM can become another bottleneck. 8 GB may have been enough for your old workload, but not necessarily for today's multitasking. When available memory gets tight, switching between multiple apps can start feeling noticeably less responsive. Sometimes unwanted software or malware can also consume CPU, memory, disk, or network resources without you realizing it. So before buying a new laptop, disable unnecessary startup programs and uninstall applications you no longer use. Free up storage, install system updates, scan for malware, and check which programs are consuming the most resources. And if your laptop is overheating, check the vents and cooling system. Proper cleaning can sometimes improve sustained performance, so your laptop doesn't automatically become slow just because it's older. Software, storage, heat, RAM, and your workload matter too. Like this video, comment how old your laptop is, and subscribe for more laptop tips.